This is LaDon Buff with Waldorf Sew and Vac, your authorized Oreck dealer for Charles, St. Mary's, Calvert, and Southern PG County. We're located in Waldorf at 1250 Smallwood Drive. Our phone number is 301-870-8322, and you can reach us online at www.sewvac.com. As you can see, we have household and commercial Orecks in stock ready for sale, and we also do Oreck repairs on the premises. Here's some that we took in for repair just the last couple of days. We've been doing Oreck repairs since the 1980s, so you can trust us with your vacuum cleaner. You can find us at 1250 Smallwood Drive in Waldorf. Our phone number is 301-870-8322, and you can find us online at www.sewvac.com. Thanks and have a good day, and we'll see you next video.